So in this problem, we have f of x equals 3 times the square root of x plus 4. And we will find the derivative using the limit definition of the derivative. So, this is an answer that someone gave, and this is the correct answer. So you see this person was really, really close. But these coefficients could be tricky sometimes. And it's also easy to forget about this 3 here being the same 3 here. That's just a coefficient to the overall process. But let's go ahead and get started with this. The limit definition says the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So if we look at what is our f of x plus h, it's going to be 3 times the square root of x plus h, then plus 4. And our f of x is going to be 3 times the square root of x plus 4. So our limit looks like 3 times the square root of x plus h plus 4 minus 3 times the square root of x plus 4, not h, all over h. And so the way we deal with this is we come up with the 3 times the square root of x plus h plus 4 plus the square root, 3 times the square root of x plus 4, all over 3 times the square root of x plus h plus 4 plus 3 times the square root of x plus 4. So again, we're essentially multiplying by 1, and we have the conjugate there. This gives us the limit as h approaches 0 of, so the first term squared minus the second term squared is the end result, 9 times x plus h plus 4 minus 9 times x plus 4 over h times 3 times the square root of x plus h plus 4 plus 3 times the square root of x plus 4. Okay. Now I'm going to distribute the numerator, and I'm sure there's at least one person out there in YouTube land screaming at me like, why didn't you factor that 3 out earlier? It would have made things easier. Probably right, but we'll keep persevering. So we have 9x plus 9h plus 36, then minus 9x and minus 36 all over, and why don't I factor the 3 out now? 3h times the square root of x plus h plus 4 plus, I don't need the 3 anymore, plus, excuse me, the square root of x plus 4. Now in the numerator, a lot of stuff's going to go away, thankfully. For example, the 9x's will subtract out, and the 36's will subtract out, and that leaves us just with a 9h. And the denominator, we have 3h times x plus h plus, the square root of x plus h plus 4 plus the square root of x plus 4. So we have the 9 divides with the 3, and that's a 3 up here and a 1 there. The h's divide out. So we end up with the limit as h goes to 0 of 3 over the square root of x plus h plus 4 plus the square root of x plus 4. Now as h goes to 0, we can apply this limit. We would have 3 over the square root of x plus 0 plus 4 plus the square root of x plus 4. So we have 3 over the square root of x plus 4 plus the square root of x plus 4 gives us 3 over 2 times the square root of x plus 4. And that, I believe, was our answer. Yes, it is. Okay, hope that helps.